Now more than ever, it's important to stay connected to your care team. With the Rochester Regional Health MyCare app, you can, and it's available for free download on Apple and Android mobile devices. The MyCare app makes video appointments easy and allows your provider to evaluate and manage your symptoms from the convenience of your home. To schedule a video visit, you can either log into the MyCare app and select your preferred day and time, or call your provider's office. Starting 3 days before your appointment, you can log in to complete your e-check-in. Simply log in to the MyCare app, click on the date of your scheduled appointment under the appointments icon, and select e-check-in. Next, enter any medications you're currently using by clicking the plus sign and searching for the name of your medication. You'll need to select your preferred pharmacy for prescriptions, and you may be prompted to add additional information like allergies, current health issues, and insurance coverage. Depending on the nature of your visit, you may be asked to complete a questionnaire and provide a payment. If needed, simply fill out the form by selecting the answers that best fit your circumstances. When clicking Continue from the questionnaire section, you may be asked to read and electronically sign a consent form. If so, you will be prompted to re-enter your password to confirm your identity. If a form does not appear, we may have it already on file. You're almost finished with your e-check-in. At this point, you may be prompted to input payment information for a copay, deductible, or previous balance. Please enter your billing information and confirm the payment. When all steps are completed, you will receive a confirmation of your e-check-in on the screen. On the day of your appointment, we recommend that you connect to your appointment 15 minutes prior to your scheduled time to set up your video. Simply select the appointment, then choose Begin Visit. You'll also need to allow microphone and video access for you to connect to your provider's office. Following federal law, we will not access your device or any files saved on it. Access is only permitted to your live camera during the visit. During your appointment, be sure to share any symptoms and concerns with your provider and don't be afraid to ask questions. Here are some other helpful tips when completing your visit with a physician. Do not exit. Stay within the app once logged in for your video visit. This ensures that your provider will see you upon joining. Find a well-lit, quiet, and comfortable space with minimal distraction. Try to remain in one location throughout your visit and make sure you're facing the camera. Finally, please make sure you are using a reliable connection and have a fully charged device. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to use the Rochester Regional Health MyCare app for your most up-to-date patient information.